Hey there, fellow adventurers. If you're planning a trip to the charming city of Amsterdam and wondering whether it's safe to wander around when the moon is up, you're not alone. Safety is a top priority for any traveler, and I'm here to share some nuggets of wisdom from my experiences in the lovely Dutch capital. So is it safe to walk around Amsterdam at night? Let's dive into that question with the enthusiasm of a kid in a candy store. Tip 1. Stick to well-lit areas when the sun sets and the city transforms into a twinkling wonderland. It's important to stick to well-lit streets. Amsterdam's historic center is generally well illuminated, making it easier to navigate safely. Areas like Dam Square and Leidseplein are bustling with activity and vibrant lights, creating a lively atmosphere that also adds to your safety. Tip 2. Be mindful of your belongings. The hustle and bustle of the city, it's part of what makes Amsterdam so charming. However, it's crucial to keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Invest in a secure bag and keep it close to you. Be aware of pickpockets and don't leave valuables unattended. It's all about that extra layer of caution to keep your trip worry-free. Tip 3. Buddy up for night strolls. Everything is more fun with a friend, right? Well, the same goes for the nighttime adventures in Amsterdam. Whether you're exploring the enchanting canals or seeking out a late-night snack, having a buddy by your side not only adds to the fun, but also enhances your safety. It's a win-win. Tip 4. Trust your instincts. We all have that inner compass guiding us. If a particular street or alley gives you the creeps, listen to your instincts. Amsterdam is generally a safe city, but it's essential to trust your gut feelings. If something doesn't feel right, make a detour to a busier area or head back to your accommodation. Safety first. Tip 5. Use reliable transportation. If you're planning to explore Amsterdam late into the night, consider using reliable transportation options. Taxis and well-established ride-sharing services are readily available. Not only does this ensure a safe journey, but it also allows you to soak in the beauty of the city without worrying about navigating unfamiliar streets in the dark. And there you have it, budding explorers. 5 tips to ensure your nighttime adventures in Amsterdam are as safe as they are enjoyable. Now go out there and make the most of your Amsterdam nights. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, where you will find a whole host of interesting videos about Amsterdam. Discover hotels, accommodations, and the best attractions in Amsterdam right now at Amsterdam Hotel Deals by clicking the link in the description below.